give you a 360-degree view of this beautiful Cuisinart. You can see the rear heat shield is built in. This is a nice tall model. You do have this round heat outlet here on the top. This is a draft built in here that you can move back and forth. Nice large baking oven. Awesome. I love the Gemini.